Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit reels on Instagram, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm logged into my account and I'm just on the main page, and what I'm going to do to start editing my reel is swipe right and get to this menu, and instead of story, I'm going to select reel. Now here you have this setup page where you can set up the audio effects, the length, the speed, etc., etc. You can set everything up however you want. You can also go into your gallery and get a picture from there or a video, doesn't matter, but it is completely up to you. I'm just gonna press record and hold it, and I'm just gonna record some short video, which is sadly gonna have audio, but it doesn't really matter. Then you're also gonna set the speed, the timer. You can also set up gesture control, as you can see there. But I'm just gonna go and click on next, and I can, as you can see, edit the music. I can edit the audio as well, and I'm just gonna mute it just because I don't want to hear myself talk. Then just click done or just swipe over, and as you can see, you can do a couple different things. You can also download it, add captions, really doesn't matter, but this is where the most of your video is going to be edited. You can also click edit video, make edits, make cuts, add audios, add text, do whatever you want, but that is pretty much it. And when you're ready to post, you just click next, and here you can finish editing everything and then click share, and then it's going to be posted on your account. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.